Hi folks, there was a bit of a bad road. So some of the areas has single lanes. They're still getting done, and then there are railway crossings. So the bridges are still yet to be done. However, all well. We are back on a better road right now. We're just crossing Baharampur town. So this is the Baharampur bypass. So for any of you traveling, so there are lots of better roads. And yeah, there are some bad, there's some good, but in time everything will be much better now. Look at this road. I mean, just compare it to anywhere. It's absolutely, just look at it. So, anywhere. That's my phone ringing, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Whoever wants can call back. Yes or no?
Yes. So hopefully we'll continue getting a bit of the good road so that
Hi Ashutosh.
we can
Hi.
pull a bit faster and reach our destination, which is Malda right now.
No,
And then
not yet.
after
Not
Malda
yet.
we are heading on to Siliguri, where we are staying
So
the
you need
night.
to talk to Debanjan because he's the one who did it.
Alright, catch you later.